Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to mirror a screen without any data cable and internet connections. How you will go for wireless screen casting from PC to any Android or smartphones. Spontaneously, of course you can go for wireless screen casting from computer to any tab without any using internet connection and USB data cable, guys. So how you will go for? So for it you will have to come first of all on this website, that is SpeedDesk. Just I have to download these applications. So see here, we have to download two applications, one for PC and second for your whatever device, if it is your Android device or a smartphone or any iOS device, yeah, any, just a tab. Simply go in a Play Store. If you are iOS device, then you have to go for an App Store and type there space desk beta and download that application and go for open it. Similarly here we have to come in a Google Chrome browser and I have to type here space desk and simply I will go for click on search and I will come on this link, that is spacedesk.net, and we have to click on this. So see guys, here one software will reflect here to download. So simply I will click on this to download it. So see, it has started to show the here option. See guys, we have a four option. One is a Windows 10 64-bit, or second is your 32-bit. And here if you are so how you will confirm that what's the operating system spontaneously, what is the bit of your operating system. So simply what you have to do, just go for my computer and you have to click on a left mouse key button and go for in a properties. In property you will see here that is Windows 10 8.1. It's a Windows 8.1, not a 10 guys. So whatever operating system, either you are using Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, you can confirm by using this way. This is a Windows 8.1. Now here see in a system type guys, 64-bit is working. So I'm confirm 8.1 operating system and this is 64-bit. So simply now I'm confirmed, so I will click on this link on this option. So when I will click, it will start to download guys, and after downloading just go for install in your operating system. So I'm not going to install once again because I have already installed. So for more clarification I would like to show you. I will write here as, now see guys, space desk. So now see guys, it has opened here. Simply we have to confirm it here that it is on or not. So status of this device, status of this software guys, you have to confirm that it is on. If it is off, then you have to click on three dot and you have to go for it, and if it is not going to, then you can go for restart of your computer. And after switching on, just we will cut from here and I will go for open my tab, and here I have already downloaded Space Desk Beta from Google Play Store. So now I'm going to open this application and I will command the whole computer without touching on any key button of the computer or mouse. So I will not touch in a mouse spontaneously on any key button. I will command the whole computer by virtue of my this tab. So see guys, I have created a hotspot from my Galaxy tab to a computer. So I would like to show you here. See this Galaxy tab hotspot I have created. Now with the help of this hotspot, I will command off the whole. So simply I will open this, that is Space Disk Beta, and here I'm going to open it. So now it has started to scan and it's giving one IP address link that for connections. So now see guys, it has connected. So see here, optimum resolutions. So according to your resolution of your computer, you can select of that. So whole video, whole screen will reflect on your tab. So now see guys, I can command the whole computer without using any key button spontaneously without touching mouse button of this device. So see, I would like to go in here, I would like to play a video. So simply I will click here. Now see, it has started to play. I would like to maximize of this video. Of course it has maximized. Now I would like to minimize it. Now see guys, here I would like to check it out, this ones. Now see, this IP address has been confirmed with this. So don't worry, I would like to confirm you, this IP address will be in a hidden, no transparency will be there. So let me cut it, and by assuring you, of course you can consume this software as well as this server without any wasting a data and any just data cable. Of course you can connect and you can command the whole computer as a just like the remote, and you can operate the computer without touching any key of your computer as well as the mouse. So see guys, I would like to cut this. So simply I will click here. Now if you would like to scroll, of course you can scroll, you can up down, whole thing, whole the browser, as well as of course you would like to play the any show, of course you can go in my computer and you can operate the whole things. Just I would like to here come in this, let's see, I would like to uninstall some applications. So here, now see, I will go for yes. Now see, it has started. So see, you have to here actually here I have opened this portrait guys automatically, that's why it's happening. So let me cancel it, and of course here see, I can uninstall, install. So whole computer command is at your hand guys, without any using internet connection as well as in data cable. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If this video is acknowledgeable guys, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose guys. So further any inquiry you have, then please raise the query below the comment box. I will reply in course of time. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.